Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add shape to your video in Filmora 14. Okay, let's get started guys. First of all, if you want to add shape to your video, you're going to go to this menu, the drawing tools menu, and you can choose the shape that you want to add to your video. For example, I'm just going to select ellipse. Okay, and then you can draw on your video like this, and then you can customize the shape. For example, I'm just going to color it transparent. So here I'm going to reduce the opacity until 0, and for the border color I'm going to make it red, and I'm going to increase the thickness of the border. Okay, then I'm going to place it here. Okay, now it's done guys, and as you can see that the shape has been added to my video. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add shape to our video in Filmora 14. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!